Hi all, welcome to Knowledge Share SS. So I will start this lecture by discussing two important points which I forgot to mention in the previous class, that is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Okay, so we have seen what is a rational number. So rational number is the number that can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. But irrational number is opposite of that, the numbers which cannot be written as p by q and p and q are integers. Okay. So irrational number like root 2, root 3, root 5, we cannot write this number in the form of p by q. Okay, so this is the basic definition of irrational numbers, and in the previous lecture I have discussed how to locate root 2, root 3 in number line. Okay, so I have discussed this method in the previous lesson. Now, so this was the irrational number. Now what is real number? Real number, collection of rational and irrational numbers. So real number equal to rational plus irrational. Okay, every real number is represented by a unique point on the number line. Every point on the number line represent a unique real number, means every point on the number line, suppose these points, this one represent a unique real number. Definitely real numbers means rational or irrational, so these points all are unique. Okay, so real number is a set of rational plus irrational number. Okay, so we'll do the exercises now, that is exercise 1.2. see in the screen. 1. First exercise, every irrational number is a real number. Every irrational number means which cannot be written in the form of p by q. So every irrational number is a real number. Yes, because real numbers means real numbers equal to rational plus irrational. Okay, so definitely every irrational will be real number. That was 1. Now in the second question, every point on the number line is of the form of root m, where m is a natural number. Okay, every point on the number line, okay, is of the form of root m. No, the negative values -1, -2, definitely the positive values will be the root of any number, means suppose 2, so definitely 2 is the root of 4, or you can also locate the value of root 2, root 4, root 3. in the positive direction, but we cannot locate the negative numbers, right? So this statement is false, that every point on the number line is of the form of root m. We cannot write this number in the form of root m. Okay. Third, every real number is an irrational number. Every real number means set of rational plus irrational number. Now every real number is an irrational number. No. Take example 5. This is not irrational. That 5, we can write 5 by 1, p by q, and q not equal to 0. So this is the definition of a rational number. So 5 is a real number, but this is rational. So this statement is false. So 2. See the question number 2. Are square root of all positive integers irrational? If not, give an example of the square root of a number. So question is, are square root of all positive integers is irrational? No. Take root 4 equal to 2. So this is not irrational, right? This is rational. Also take example of root 16. You will get 4. So we can write this as 4 by 1 means p by q. So this is also rational. So that statement is false. Now 3. So how root 5 can be represented on the number line? Okay, I have discussed in detail how to locate root 2 and root 3, and also discussed that before locating root n, you have to locate root n minus 1. Means you have to find out the value of root n minus 1 in the number line. Then you will be able to locate root n. So here the question is root 5. So first you have to find out the value of root 4. Then only you will be able to find out the value of root 5. Then using compass you will be able to locate in the number line. So this is homework. Please go through my previous lecture to complete this question. Question number 4. Construct a square root spiral. This is very you can do it. So this is also homework. Now coming to example 7. Example 7, you can see, so that 0.333 dot equal to 0.3. Acha, means this and this are same, repeating 3, so we can write 0.3 bar. Okay. Now the question is, can be expressed in the form of p by q. So we have to express this number in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. This is the definition of a rational number. So we have to write this number in the form of p by q. Okay. So let's see. So first of all, for all rational form p by q on decimal, for all rational form means p by q, if we divide p by q, there will be two results. So before solving this question, I am providing you a concept. So if we divide P by Q, we'll get two results. First one is that the result will be maybe terminating. So if we take example, okay, let me conclude this concept, or non-terminating. So for all rational numbers, if we divide P by Q, there may be two results. One is terminating, another is non-terminating. So terminating example like 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 is a rational number, but its result is 0.875. Right, so this is terminating. Now if you take example of 1 by 3, okay, so 1 by 3, definitely the result will be 0.333 ... So non-terminating. So this is also a rational number but non-terminating. The result is non-terminating. This was a concept. Okay. Now coming to the question, that we have to write 0.333 ... in the form of P by Q, where Q not equal to 0. Okay. So let x is equal to, okay, let me clear these things. Okay. So let x is equal to 0.3333 ... multiply 10 both side. So 10x equal to 10 into 0.3333 ... So why multiply by 10? If the repeating number, the repeating digit is single, here you can see that the 3 is repeating again and again, so we'll multiply by 10. If suppose the repeating number is like this, so we'll multiply by 100 because 2 digits are repeating. Okay, so here single, so that's why we have multiplied by 10. Okay, now 10x is equal to, so just do the multiplication, 3.333 ... and this can be written as 3 plus 0.3333 ... equal to 3 plus, so this is x, right? So 9x equal to 3 imply x is equal to 3 by 9 equal to 1 by 3, right? So 0.333 can be written as in the form of 1 by 3. Okay, so P by Q equal to 1 by 3. This is the answer. So do share, like and subscribe as much as possible. By your feedbacks, I will understand that I am going on the right track. I am able to clear all your doubts. Okay, so thank you so much.